But I think that the tagline for what FinTech can do is safe, fast, cheap, and easy. I think we really need to figure out how these products and services really increase safety, increase trust, increase transparency, make it faster, cheaper, and easier to do the things in your financial life that let you serve your family and your community, you know, and make this, you know, a really place. And I think that the opportunities, even here in Wisconsin, to think at the state level about where innovation can go and where the research and evaluation partners you have here, like I'm like, start a sandbox here in Madison, start, you know, your own kind of hub. I think that there's going to be a lot of people looking for that kind of innovation leadership. So.